Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you're brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers, and you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor. Do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, you're probably gonna want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me personally, I like to keep it consistent. So please do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below as well. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. All right, guys, we got a Sneakers app W, but not from me, from my coworker. I told you guys in yesterday's video, I had another seizure last week. I forgot all about these. Totally forgot all about this shoe. But let's get into it. Let's not waste any time here. This is a 9.5. If anyone is interested, just hit me up on IG, on the DM. But let's break it down right here. This is a, like I said, 9.5. The Nike Dunk Low SP, white, black. This is the box here. Like I said, I'm going to do a full detailed review, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel. You know, nothing too crazy. I'm not too crazy about, Nike SBs, but I seen this pair, man. This pair is actually really nice. Here you have it, guys. The Nike SB Fragment Clot. Now, don't get me wrong. This shoe is fire. I gotta say, I just love the triple collab. Nike, Fragment, Clot. Comes with blue laces. We are definitely going to be doing a review, but I do not believe it's going to be an on-foot review because this is not my shoe, nor is it my size, and I'm not trying to pay $450 for it. You know what I'm saying? It's a bit of a stretch because that's how much they want right now. If you're buying from GOAT, they want $420. I think when it comes to, when everything's said and done, like $460 or something like that, which is crazy. The shoe is only retailing at what, $160, $150? Pretty crazy, man. But look at this, very dope, man. You got the Clot on the back here. The shoe, the entire upper is like a silk. And if I am not mistaken, I believe you could actually cut that off and there's something underneath. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not crazy for SBs, nor do I know a lot about SB. I'm not going to sit here and, tell you guys, oh yeah, this and that one. I have no idea what the heck I'm, I'm actually even looking at, to be honest, because, like I said, I'm not crazy for SBs, nor did I ever have like a Clot, collaboration shoe. I never had a Fragment shoe. I just got that book, that UA Fragment, Travis Scott, but I've never had a retail pair like such here. My man Jose, huge shout out to you. I truly appreciate you, man. My guy at work, he's always the last one to get in the Sneakers app, and he always comes out on top. How do you think I got the Spider-Man? Got it from Jose too. If you haven't seen that video, click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly there, but make sure you come back here, because this shoe is fire. Take a look at 360. Now also too, what I like a lot too is the outsole, the milky outsole. Now as for it being, getting oxidized and whatnot, that's probably going to be that's another problem. But, they have sole protectors that you can put underneath here. Do I have one? I don't. So if anybody wants to sponsor me, any, you know what I'm saying, just drop a comment in the comment section. But yeah, man, guys, leave your thoughts, your opinions down in the comment section. I'd love to hear it. I'm going to be doing a full detailed review on this shoe tomorrow, so stay tuned. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, day out. I truly appreciate it. If you don't follow me on IG, make sure you follow me. Links are in the description down below. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.